our 4th annual Dash and Dance, formerly the Dash and Splash, but since we held it earlier in the year, we decided to switch it up and make it a little bit of a dance activity.
And just fun track events. There's no timing, every student is a winner. Every student will cross through that finish line.
We have 200 students from our moderate to severe programs that participate as student athletes.
Hey, Galang.
Ran so fast.
Run so fast.
I did a really good job doing some professional sports.
I got to do the softball throw.
We had like a long jump. We get right in the sand.
It felt like running a marathon, and we were almost winning too.
To do softball, we got to do the flag, warm up.
We really like the interaction between the general ed students and the special ed students. They don't necessarily have classes together, so they don't get a chance to get to know each other, so it benefits both sides.
But we're just here just to help the kids and just to put a smile on their face, you know?
And it's great because we get to learn things that we never think we would learn, and they bring so much to the table, and it's just an amazing experience to have out here.
It's like when I see all my best friends, like softball and baseball, those guys help my dad out.
It's like how everybody's coming together and helping people, even though they might not have the same abilities. So I think it's good to have everybody involved in one thing.
We want to be able to get the kids outside of their school site, outside of their community.
I get to see all my friends and my teachers I used to have before.
It was pretty fun. It was pretty fun.
I love it. Love it.
Yeah, that was awesome here.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, where did you go? It's fun, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun doing the 50 meter.
Great.
I've just been working out at home, and